like, subscribe, tell your friends that I have a weird channel. What am I doing? I'm doing this. I found a receptacle. It's a Carhartt lunch pail. I'm taking some bike switches and putting them in here so I don't lose it. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Since this is the world's most boring channel here so far. Don't look over there. It's full of junk. So I got a bunch of switches here. See, like this. This is this garbage. Come on, where is it? It's caught on here. There's a 85 big red switch, which has all the things except for it needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna fix that sooner or later. Put that in the box here. Is this thing going anywhere? Come on, cord. I also have another. This one's an 85, which, you know, I'm redoing these. I'll show you why. See this? Watch. Here. It's crumbly. It sounds like snap. This is see the little bent switch? It's 85. I'm putting them in the box. I have too much shit on my shelf here. So this one is a 85 that I'm repacking. I forget what I was doing with it. I gotta redo the end. Oh, I'm waiting for, I forgot to buy crimpers. I forgot to buy. I'm trying to clean up the mess here. What the hell is these? What are these things? These are big red forks. These are for the forks. For shits. Oh, look. I got a small croissant wrench. I should send this out to get re-chromed. Sort of fun of it. Nice chromy. No one will know. No one ever know. No one's going to know. Alright. This is... I was looking for this. This is a oiler. Here's what else we got here? Parts or something. There's too much shit on my bench. This is a red forks. Fork bolts. This is... I'm not trying to go through parts. I'm trying to find all the switches. See? That's what I got. All the nice yellow switches. There's a bright red one. I'm trying to find all the nice ones. Put them all in one place. Put them on one. What was that? I'm attempting to clean the bench out because I need the damn space, and there's... I don't know what the hell I was doing with these. Oh, I know what this was for. I was taking the rear swing arm off. It just so happened... It did not occur to me that I should probably check the... was it swing arm? I needed one of them, and I bought the whole frickin' set, and like a dig bad, I could just bought one. But, you know, I got two of them. It's all good. This over here, I guess. So anyway, this is just a short video of me and my messy bench. This is for the fork tracks. There's too many bike parts on here. Big red stuff, forks. This over here. This is for the red seat. It's for a seat. I don't know if it's for the big red, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. There's a copper washer. And what else is in here? What is this? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Don't forget the magic wand. I just stuffed the... Yeah, like this is the one. Oh, look at that. Oh! I watch all the other channels that use that gimmicky thing. What is that? Maddox instructions. So yeah, I intend on cleaning my bench because I need the space. What else was I got here? These are all forks. This is the wrong part of the bike. It's got a bend in it. It's a nice part. It's just bent. Yeah, I needed a crimper. That's what I needed. There's a 36 millimeter socket. That's for a 200, I think. There's so much shit on here. I don't feel like moving it out tonight. What is this? Oh, that's the plug thing. They still sell those. Alrighty, I think that's it. That's all I'm doing for now. I just wanted to get this kind of cleared out. I should take this home. Anybody ever see one of these things? I think it still works. Weird. Is there batteries in it? Here's the battery and the rubber seals is gone. The battery's toast. What is it? It's one of those electronic pinpointers. You want to find metal? It's a pinpointer. I should bring it back to my house because it doesn't belong in here. It's in that thing. Okay, that's going over. It's going to my house. Oh well, I don't know. I was just messing around. I got forks and stuff to do. What else do I got here? I had a plan for this video. I swear, I really did have a plan. I'm just showing you my junk pile. That's a Honda part. Genuine Honda part. What are you doing over here? Oh no, that's not a Honda part. That's for my damn tractor. Tractor part. Tractor part. La-di-da-di-da. Bike key. Which key is that for? It's a Honda key. Oh, it's a Honda key. That's sandpaper. This is a corrupt piece of metal. Honda parts. This is junk. It's garbage. Show it in the garbage over here. Alright. I don't know. There was supposed to be some kind of plan for this video, but I'm just messing around. Thanks for watching. Just whatever. Toodles.